Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to speak to you today. If you're new here, karibu, welcome. My name is Eva Mtali, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online in Kenya, in Africa, or anywhere else in the world you're based at, working remotely, and also working from home so that you can be able to afford the travel lifestyle. Once in a while, I will also share videos about my journey learning violin as an adult. You can also find videos about my journey learning Kenyan Sign Language and also my various travel blogs where I document my experiences of the places that I have visited. If any of these topics sound exciting to you, then by all means please hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, also hit the notification bell so that every single time I shoot a new video you will be the first person to know. So without much further ado, in today's video I'm going to share with you 10 different digital products that you can sell online in 2021 or any other time for that matter. And what is a digital product? A digital product is essentially any kind of product that is produced and consumed online or digitally or virtually. So unlike, for example, this book, which the only way that I can use it is by having it physically, when it comes to digital products, they are sold and consumed online. So for example, instead of a physical book like this, I'd probably have Kindle or an ebook. So without much further ado, the number one digital product that you can sell and make money online in 2021 is producing and publishing ebooks. And while it might sound daunting, like, hey Eva, how do I even start writing an ebook? So number one, your ebook doesn't have to be like 1,000 pages. It can even be just 15 pages. I know people who are making money with ebooks that are as little as 20 pages. So what you want to know is to ask yourself, what is this one topic that I know more than the average person on the street or in my neighborhood or in my network, or something that you're really interested in and you might not have all the information about. However, you're willing to go and dig deep and do your research. You can compile it into a digital ebook or a digital book, what we call an ebook, and then you provide it online and sell it. Yeah, so it could be recipe books. If you're good in cooking, just make sure that your book has a theme. So for example, it could be African dishes, it could be Christmas dishes, it could be keto dishes, it could be veg dishes for people who are trying to lose belly fat. Just make sure that you take an angle that hasn't been covered so that you can have a potential target market for your ebook. You can also talk about, let's say you have successfully overcome an obstacle or a challenge. So just basically structure the way in which you overcome that challenge and then put it in the form of an ebook. Or if you have achieved some kind of success, so let's say it's something that a lot of people struggle with, but for some reason, so let's say for example, if it's debt or owning your property as a Kenyan millennial, or buying, I don't know, land when you're in your 20s, just package it in a structured manner with a step-to-step method of how people can achieve the similar successes that you have achieved. And the beauty with ebooks, you do not need to look for a publisher to publish your book for you. You can actually self-publish on websites such as lulu.com, you can use amazon.com and so many other websites out there. The number two digital product that you can sell and make money online in 2021 or any other year for that matter is online courses. So similarly to ebooks, it might look daunting, like how do I even start creating a course? Well, again, it depends. Get a topic that you are very familiar with, significantly better than the average person on the street or in your networks or just generally. Alternatively, get something that you have overcome, a particular success that you have gone through or a challenge or obstacle that you have overcome, put it in a structured manner and provide it as an online course. So this, for example, could be something as simple as Swahili. So right now, for example, or any other native language, there is a lot of people in the diaspora, or let's say African Americans who want to come back to Africa. And one of the easiest ways of assimilating in a new environment is by learning the language. So most of them are trying to learn these native African languages, and that's an opportunity for you right there. And you can, for example, put like a proper structured online course through websites such as teachable.com or I don't know, Coursera. However, you can also provide very unstructured informal classes. So I have shot an entire video up here showing you the different ways that you can actually make money online speaking your language. And I've mentioned 3 main websites that you can use. So please check out that video for all the details of how you can go about it. And your videos can be in the form of text. Your online courses can be in the form of text. They can be in audio format, or they can be in video format. So feel free to play around with it and see what resonates with your potential customer, right? The number 3 way you can make money online with digital products is workshops or webinars. So basically, this is whereby they can be either pre-recorded or they can be live, and you just charge some small fee for you people to attend your online workshops. The number 4 digital product, I have my book here that I'm trying to refer to my notes. So the number 4 digital product that you can sell and make money online in 2021 is guides or tutorials. So this, for example, is a little more detailed and structured than a webinar or an online course. So for example, it can be a guide to losing belly fat in 21 days, for example, or it can be a guide on how to use your WhatsApp to sell something. So just, it's a little bit more detailed, but it narrows down to one particular topic and really digs deep in, unlike maybe like an online course which covers a slightly wider area. For example, you can teach Kiswahili, yeah? The number 5 digital product that you can sell online and make money online in 2021 is membership sites. So that, for example, could be a Facebook membership group, it could be a YouTube channel, it could be pretty much anything. The only difference is that for people to access your site, they'll have to pay a fee, and this could be a monthly fee, it could be a quarterly fee, it could be a daily fee, it could be on a use by use fee. So just feel free to play around with it. And what you want to do is to bring people of like-minded, people with similar interests around one subject, and then you can create a membership group about it. And then the other digital product that you can sell and make money online in 2021 is printables. So printables are basically anything that somebody needs to print and then use. So this could be a calendar, they could be things like what else can it be? I'm trying to think, like templates, just pretty much anything that you provide online. But for me to use it, I have to first download it and print it. Like, the options are endless. And then the number 7 digital product that you can sell and make money online is commercial music. If you have an ear for music and you can actually arrange pieces of music, then what you want to do is to arrange different pieces of music and then provide them for commercial use. And your potential customers could be media houses looking for music for their advertisements. It could be YouTubers. So a lot of YouTubers use music in their videos, and most of the time they have to buy this music. So you can produce your kind of music, or even if you're already a musician, you can provide your music for commercial use at a fee. And there are different websites that you can use. So we have like hooksounds.com, we have bensounds.com. Alternatively, you can even put your music on YouTube and then make it available and tell people, hey, if you want to use this kind of use this music, then maybe send me, I don't know, $10 PayPal donation to ABCD, or send me money on Mpesa, and you're free to use my music on your videos. The number 8 digital product that you can sell online and make money online in Kenya is pre-made scripts. And basically this could be, I don't know, best man speech, it could be end of year party script, it could be negotiation scripts, it could be fundraising scripts, it could be sales calls, pretty much anything that somebody has to use to make a presentation. So this again you can sell on websites such as Etsy.com. And if you're wondering how do I start my Etsy business, check this video up here where I give you a step-by-step guide on how to start your business and actually even open shop. You can also just create your own website and share your scripts there, or you can just share within your networks and tell people, hey, I prepare pre-made scripts. So if you wanna have a presentation and you're just wondering what to say, then you can talk to me and I will make my script for you. Or these are pre-made scripts that you can use and you can download it for like, I don't know, $5 or something like that. The number 9 digital product that you can sell and make money online is what we call BRoll Footage. So basically BRoll Footage is that supplemental video content that is used in either films or documentaries and can also be used on YouTube videos. Yeah. So what you want to do is is shoot different content in areas that most people would generally have in their videos or in their films. And so once you have produced this kind of video footage, you can put it up for sale on different websites. You can actually even use your own YouTube channel. So for example, what you want to do is make people know that, for example, if you're looking for a scene of, let's say, African woman making pancakes, for example, or you want a scene where you have African woman playing with a child, or African woman on a laptop, or white lady in pajamas, or something like that. So those are the kind of what we call B-roll footage that are very, very useful for video content producers and even YouTubers, especially the small and upcoming YouTubers. You can sell this B-roll footage to them. Number 10 digital product that you can produce and sell to make money online is what we call planners. So basically planners are things that help people to plan their lives, and it could be like financial planners, it could be things to help people to plan their meals, it could be people who are trying to, like, goal planners, it could be anything creative. Like if I'm a YouTuber, I want something to help me plan out my videos on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis. So anything that helps people to organize their lives, you can sell electronic planners. And have seen, for example, I have personally bought a planner online. So what you want to do is make sure that your planners are available for download immediately, so that as soon as somebody purchases them, they can start using them immediately. And you can also take advantage of producing planners that do not have dates, because the beauty with this is that once you make it, like, you do not have to come and update it again. Like, let's say if it's a yearly planner for 2021, then when it comes to 2022, it's no longer useful. So try and be really creative with your planners in such a way that they can be used for, you know, like they're like not tied down to a particular date. They could be tied to days and months, but not specifically dates, because then that ties you. Like every year you have to keep producing new planners. Last but not least is photography. Basically, there are lots and lots of websites that allow you to upload your photography and then produce them or give them up for sale. So what you want to do is make sure that if it's a photograph that you don't want just people playing around with it, you can put what they call a watermark. You can put, you know, different terms and conditions. Make sure you explain all that in your download site or download page. And there's different places whereby you can sell your photography. We have, for example, Shutterstock, we have Adobe Stock, and so many other stock photo sites that you can take advantage of. So feel free to play around with it. And guys, that's it for today in terms of digital products that you can sell online. Let me know which of these digital products you're excited to start selling online, and I'll look forward to seeing you.